everybody, it's Lee from Combe Valley Campers, and I'd like to say, well, first of all, hello and welcome back. Today we have a pretty big announcement for you. On Monday, the 4th of January 2021, our illustrious leader Boris Johnson told everybody that we are going into lockdown number 3 in the UK, or in mainland England. It's not a great situation to be in, and I'm very sorry to all of those who have to be furloughed or have to close their businesses. It is not a good situation to be in, and for that we extend our sympathies to you. However, we're allowed to still work, and what we're going to do for you is provide you, as of Monday the 11th of January, for the next 42 days or 7 weeks of lockdown number 3, we're going to provide you with one video every single day. Now you might ask why we're doing this, and to be honest with you, I don't know. We fancied the challenge and we just wanted to give something back to you. It has been an incredible 12 months, and you guys have been fantastic to us. You guys, a lot of you found us during lockdown and after lockdown, and we were told every week that our videos gave some people hope, some people encouragement, and some people just the incentive to go out there and either buy a camper van or build a camper van. So for the next 42 days, 7 weeks, we're going to bring you 42 videos minimum to help you build your car, classic, or van, or camper. And we're going to be starting from Billy Basics. Absolute Billy Basics. We're going to be doing things like how to change a headlight bulb, how to change spark plugs, how to change a wheel. Things that everybody should really know and sometimes people don't. So that's what we're going to be providing you. We're going to be working with some of our favourite companies as well, such as Heritage Parts Centre, Dodo Mat, Rain Automotive, Van Shades, Rusty Lee, all of the companies that you know and love and the companies that we work with. We're going to be helping to bring you the best items, the best products, and there's my phone. What perfect timing. I knew I should have turned that onto silent. 1 second. It's my mum. Oh no, hang on. Sorry mum, if you're watching, I'm going to have to speak to you later. So, where was I? We are going to provide you the best content with the best companies that we work with. And yeah, like I said, it's going to be we're going back to basics. So we want to know from you guys what you want to see from us. We would like you to maybe go down into the description of this video, hit us up on email, hit us up on Patreon, Instagram, Facebook, whatever platform you know us from. Send us a message, tell us what you want, because we are here to provide you with the knowledge that you want for the next 7 weeks minimum. If this goes well, if this video every day goes well, we will continue to provide you with a video every day. Ali behind the camera there is looking at me going, no, don't do this to me. But no, we really like doing this for you. We really like providing you with the content. We really like making the videos, and we just want to keep doing it for you. So we have got a Project Golf. We have a Project Type 25 or T3. We have potentially a Project Bay Window and potentially a Project Beetle. All right, and also we've got a T4. And we can get hold of a T5 as well. So throughout the range of vans and vehicles that we deal with day to day, we have got lots of different jobs coming up to show you. So it's our little bit of something for you. We want something from you now, and that is suggestions on what videos to make. So get busy now. Go down into the description of this or Instagram or Facebook or whichever platform you're on and tell us what you want to see. For the next 42 days minimum, we're going to bring you a video every day. So let's not have this lockdown or the whole situation be a negative. Let's turn this into a positive, and let's get these videos done. I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to making these videos and showing you a new one every day. Thank you very much for watching, and we shall see you as of Monday the 11th. And we've already filmed a couple. So yes, we're going to film them and make them for you. And we'll see you there. Bye-bye.